Matt here with First America Products and another informational video for you. Today I'd like to present to you the Polymer SnapEase Wall Sleeve. Now here next to me is a standard size PTAC wall sleeve. However, it's awfully bulky, so I'd like to get it out of the way. Now here is the Polymer SnapEase Wall Sleeve, and normally when you're shipping PTAC wall sleeves you can fit 9 to a pallet. With this we can fit 42 to a pallet. So that means more space for storage, shipping more product and less air, and this is a lot easier to handle around a job site. Now the difference in size is because the SnapEase comes unassembled. However, in a moment I'd like to show you how easy it is to put together. Let's get started. Let me start a timer and I'll show you how easy it is to put together the Polymer SnapEase. All we'll need is a knife. So we use the knife to open the packaging, and that's it. We can place the knife to the side. Now, on the top, we have the weather barrier, which is used to keep out any unpleasant weather during construction. We'll place this to the side for now. Next, we take our bottom panel with 2 hands and we place it on a flat surface. Next, we take the side panels, which are individually keyed and labeled, and we just line them up, snap them into place. Take the right panel, do the same thing, just snap it into place. Last, we take the top panel with 2 hands, line it up, and just snap it into place. Now as you can see, I've done it in well under a minute, and I'm sure you could do better. Next, I'd like to show you how to attach the weather barrier. Now let's attach the weather barrier to the back of the sleeve using the 4 push pins provided in the box. So, we line up the weather barrier with the rear of the sleeve, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for more information, visit firstamericaproducts.com.